Welcome back my channel to your personal ear spa experience. Let the outside world fade away as you settle in. Breathe in slowly, and breathe out even slower. Tonight is all about you, about bringing you deep relaxation, peace, and comfort. I'm going to begin by gently brushing around your ears. Just soft, slow strokes with the bristles. Swish, swish, feel the tingles start to rise. Let your shoulders drop and your forehead soften. You are safe, you are calm, and you are in the perfect space to relax. Now, I'll be using a warm cotton pad, soaked in herbal water. Just gently dabbing along your outer ear, dab, 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 cleaning away stress and tension with every gentle press. You might hear a faint crinkle, a soft patting sound, it's all part of the calm. Next, I'm reaching for a soft wooden ear pick. I'll start tracing the edge of your ear with it. You might hear the delicate tapping sound. Tick, 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 a gentle scratch that feels like a feather gliding along your skin. This motion is slow and intentional, designed to give you tingles and calm your mind. Now moving inward, I have a soft silicone tool. I'm gently inserting it into your outer ear canal, just enough to remove anything that doesn't belong. Swirl, 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 a gentle scooping motion. Nothing harsh, just soft, rhythmic sounds to ease your senses. You are doing amazing. Let yourself feel the sensations, the tiny sounds that surround your ears like a whispering breeze. You're not just hearing them, you're feeling them. Your body is melting into relaxation. Now, I'm going to softly whisper in your ear, just to guide you deeper into this restful state. You are safe. You are calm. You are loved. You are enough. Let the words sink in. Let them wrap around you like a warm blanket. I'm right here with you. My voice is soft, close to your ear, like a friend gently helping you fall into sleep. I'll now use a fluffy applicator to apply a soothing oil blend. Just a few soft pats, dab, 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 followed by slow, circular rubbing. Feel the warmth, the moisture, the care. Every motion is designed to make you feel good. You deserve this gentle moment. Time to use a feather brush now. Just brushing along your ear again, up, down, around, like waves on a quiet shore. Swish, swish, swish,